Hello everyone. Today we will see how to connect our Google Sheet with Zapier and send a thank you email via Gmail. Actually, our task is when someone submit a form from our website, like this is our website. When someone submit the form, so this information is stored to our sheet. So when a form is submitted, we will send them a thank you message via Zapier. So let's see how we can do this. So first, I am logging to my Zapier account. If you don't have any account, just sign up and let's do whatever we want actually. So here we can click on create Zap, or we can simply use our promote here, like their AI will generate the Zap. So for our scenario, we will write like this: Google Sheet data to, data to thank you email via Gmail. This is our task. So let's hit enter. So they are making the Jap. So yeah. So here is our Jap. So let's click on try. Okay. So this is Copilot. So we can close this one. We don't need this. So first task is connect our Google Sheet. Like this one is selected. So first we have to select our spreadsheet. So let's select. This is our sheet. So we select this one. Then worksheet is our sheet one. Here is sheet one. So that's it. Then click on continue. And if you don't configure by your Google Sheet, just simply configure. Okay. Then this is done. Now we have to test. Click on test sticker. This will be work. So like, okay, let me submit a form. So my email will be this one. So my phone number, this one. Query is for Google Ads conversion tracking. This is for testing, and I click submit. Okay, this is done. So it means data will come here. Yeah, this is come here. So if I go here and here, then find new record. So here, this is latest on. Okay, 26 months. Just I select this row. Here is the my details. All the details is come, so I can continue with selected record. Okay, my first setup is done. Now I have to connect with my Gmail. So like I can connect my Gmail. Sorry, my Gmail is already connected. If you don't have, just you need to connect with your Gmail, then send email. Yeah, this is okay. Then your account, select your account. My account is this one. So I just select this account and click continue. Now two. So here what we have to do, we can click on flash, forward flash. Then we want to send email to our user, right? This is our user. So I have to select this column C. So if I select this one, every time this will be dynamically triggered. So I select this one, then this one will be false. CC we don't need, BCC we don't need. From we don't need from name reply to subject. So for subject, see here we already have a subject. So we can select this one like this. So let's do this. Like forward flush, our subject is this one, column G, Google Ads conversion tracking. So this one, sorry. Yeah, then I can use like thanks for reaching out like this. This will be our subject. Then for body, I will use HTML tag, and I already create a tag template for this. So I will share the link in the description. So let me check. This will be our body HTML template. Just click on copy, and this will be copied, and just go to your Zapier and paste. Okay, now here what we have to do, sorry, we have to pass some information like our username. Here we can click on flash, and our username is this one, right? So we can select, click on this one. Hi, Imtiaz, thanks for reaching out. Then this information. Then in the message box, we can select their message, like their message was this one. This is for testing, so we can select this one. Okay, and nothing need to do. Okay, that's it for my side. Then I can click on continue, and I can see the data how it will look like. Okay, okay, and I can click on test setup. Message was sent to Gmail about 0 seconds. So let's go to our Gmail. So yeah, that's the thing, right? This is our subject. This is the username. This user message. Sorry, this is user message actually. So this is actually thank you email. So if they have very urgent request, they can contact by WhatsApp. This is my template. For your site, you can create any kind of template like this kind of template. You can easily create using ChatGPT. Just you have to write like I want HTML template for my email. They will create. Okay, that's it. So let's check. Then what we have to do? Just we have to publish the thing, and that's it. Now, when someone submit a form from our website, then they will receive an email. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.